Okay, so if we had a really good session, now to finish off, we're going to do some stretching. Stretching is really good because it aids your recovery as well as increasing your flexibility, which will keep and maintain the health of your joints. So I'll just get you to lie on the back here and we'll stretch out your hamstrings. So keeping your legs nice and straight. Okay, so we're just going to start off with this leg first. Yep. Going to keep your leg nice and straight. What I want you to do is tell me when you're feeling a nice good stretch in that muscle back there.
Yeah.
Right there?
On the knee.
Okay.
Under the knee.
Just go back a little bit. Should be feeling it there now.
Nah, still the knee.
Still the knee.
Yeah.
We'll go about there. And we're going to hold this for about 15 seconds. Alright, we're going to put down, we're going to go for the other leg as well.
Yep.
Alright, so same thing, keep the leg nice and straight. Just tell me when you're feeling that stretch.
Yep.
There?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Same thing, you're going to hold it about 15 seconds. If you come in and do training by yourself, you should always finish off with a stretch.
Okay.
And it will help your recovery, and as I said, increase your flexibility. Good. Okay, so the next stretch we're going to do, we're going to stretch out your chest, your pectorals.
Yep.
So I'll just get you to turn around for me. I'm just going to sit straight up.
Like this.
Yeah, just get you to sit straight up for me. Okay, so what I'll get you to do is just lift your hands up above your head. Okay, good. We're just going to bring it down here. Now, what I want you to tell me is when you feel the good stretch across there. Feel the stretch yet?
Yep.
Alright.